Imagine it's the end of 2024 and you're looking back at this year. Would you rather reminisce about how you seized the biggest opportunity of your life, or wistfully realize what you've missed? This is not just a thought experiment, it's a reality check. Today we stand at the epicenter of an AI revolution that's reshaping our world. It's more than technology, it's a paradigm shift. 2024 might be the last year you can implement AI before you're put out of business. And that's why we're here, to ensure you're a part of this transformation and not just a bystander. So, stay tuned as we unveil the astonishing roles AI has assumed in various sectors this year, including a jaw-dropping technology that will change the way we do business forever. I'm Lamine, co-founder at AI Trailblazer and Artelligence Consulting. Let's get plugged in. First, let's talk about this lady, who's not just a digital marvel, but a financial powerhouse, earning over $10,000 per month through brand deals. But this lady is not real. This is Aitana Lopez, and she's an AI influencer, currently sitting at over 250,000 followers. Aitana was created by the visionary Barcelona design agency, The Clueless. What her creators managed to achieve is consistent character generation, which is crucial for maintaining a credible online presence as an influencer. So that's absolutely groundbreaking what they have achieved here, and we will definitely see more of this over the coming year. Pandora's box has been opened, and we can now certainly say that 2024 will be the year where we see a huge rise of AI influencers, and this will happen across all realms of social media, the normal areas and surely also the not safe for work areas. Next prediction: what happens when you combine the previously mentioned way of creating consistent characters with another already available AI technology? Imagine you combine Aitana and use Suno. What's Suno? Microsoft just added Suno to Copilot, giving you the opportunity to create real music with AI. These two technologies combined, and what do you potentially have? Right, an AI pop star. Consistent character generation plus AI-generated music. And it already went into this direction with Nu Nuri, the virtual pop star signed by Warner Music last year, 2023. But since I'm sure you don't know her, I would not necessarily call Nu Nuri a star. But in 2024, we will 100% see the first pop culturally relevant AI music creator, guaranteed. Not constrained by the physical world, allowing for endless creative possibilities, paving the way for a new era in entertainment. And by the way, this pop star will never be tired, and it can perform in 20 cities at the same time, meaning it will be a money printer. On to the next one. Have you watched Star Trek? The next prediction was featured there, and last year Mark Zuckerberg spoke about it on the Lex Friedman podcast. No, I'm not talking about faster than light travel, I'm sorry. I'm talking about the universal translator. Yes, this one. Precise, real-time translation across various languages and dialects. This is a monumental task, but we're actually on the brink of achieving it. Models are getting faster and getting better, and Meta is really onto something with what they already presented. The universal translator could be the key to a more connected, understanding world, redefining how we interact across borders. I'll definitely get one once it's available. How about you? AI will make a lot of people a lot of money. Yes, it's already doing it, but it's changing. How? By picking up the phone for you and calling your potential customers. Yes, you heard right. AI outbound sales calls. The technology is already here, so it's just a matter of improvement. Companies like Air AI already provide the solution. And now give it another 6 months and you'll receive or make a lot of phone calls fully done by AI. The challenge with this was to have AI to understand nuanced human speech and respond appropriately with memory and task management capabilities. And all of that basically in real time. And we're almost there, so better be prepared. Your phone will not stand still in a few months. Do you remember how rapidly Mid-Journey has developed? What does that tell you? Within a year, we have gone from here to here. Wow. And now, the next level, right, AI-generated videos. My prediction, by the end of this year, we will see AI video technology that works without glitches. This technology is almost there, and then, assuming the speed of development of, for example, Mid-Journey, you can imagine where we're going. Stock video libraries should start thinking about how they can adapt their business model, because in the future, stock videos will be created individually at the click of a button. What will a world look like in which we experience constantly AI-generated content on all social media networks, and how will the platforms deal with it? My prediction, in 2024, social media platforms will have to develop a solution for how they will deal with the flood of AI content. This is necessary because otherwise their monetization models will also become fragile. A complete ban can of course not be expected, as it's impossible, but I think they will use tags or markers to highlight AI content where it is possible. But even this is difficult. How long will this work? There's already content that can no longer be distinguished from non-AI content, so I guess this is going to be fun for the platforms. In conclusion, 2024 will be a landmark year for AI, with its influence permeating various sectors and reshaping them in ways previously unimaginable. From AI influencers to universal translators, from virtual pop stars to AI-driven sales calls, each advancement not only represents a technological leap, but also a cultural and societal shift. In 2023, we have seen AI not as a distant, abstract concept, but as a tangible, integral part of our daily lives, redefining our understanding of possibility and potential. The AI revolution is not just about machines getting smarter. It's about us as a society evolving with them, embracing new opportunities and facing new challenges. Remember, as you stand at this pivotal moment in history, the choice is yours: to be a part of this transformative journey or to watch from the sidelines. The future is here and it's yours to seize. But please, develop a code of values for this new world that is suitable for you. You will definitely need a very strong moral compass and a moral framework. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on the free access to our AI community that we will be opening soon. Thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments, and I see you again next time. Bye.